How to make Notion aesthetic. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Notion.so more aesthetic when you're working on Notion, how to customize your pages in a way that they're aesthetically pleasing and you have fun working. So let's get into it. So first of all, we'll just open up our Notion.so. Notion is an amazing platform for project management. We can take notes on Notion, and there are a lot of different things we can do. I personally use Notion for a lot of different purposes. We can use it for work notes, for study, for our marketing strategy, and much more. So once I get on Notion.so, you can see the basic default workspace that we are getting. It's very simple, very professional, good, but we can actually customize Notion a lot according to our, needs. And if we're taking like study notes or work notes, we can make them more aesthetic. So I'll show you all of the different integrations I have. Some integrations I have for you guys. I have different widget ideas and how to customize your Notion. So without any further ado, let's get into it. On Notion, first of all, you have to create a page. So I have this work notes right here, which is pretty simple. Let's customize it and I'll show you the different tips and tricks. So the first thing that you can do is you can click on these three dots right here, and it is actually the view option. So here we get a lot of different view option on Notion. And it actually allows us to customize the layout. A lot of people don't know this. So we have this table here, but if I want to switch to the board view, we can do that. Then we have the timeline, we have a calendar, then we have a list, and we also have a gallery. So if you like to work with, you have a lot of visual stuff, then you can switch to the gallery view. I personally also really like the gallery view right here. So you can see for me, again, we have this visual kind of work. So I switch to the gallery view, and you can also do that. Then we have a card preview where it will show you the page content, or what you can do is you can change your card sizes as well. When it comes to making aesthetic, we can actually go with the small icons like this. So it makes it like this very folder type. It gives it a folder type look and it looks really good. Then we have fit image, and then we have open pages in the center peak. Now we can also change the peak. If I want it to be the side peak, the center peak, or the full page. So this is how we open up a page. For instance, this is the center peak right now. If I want to go to the side peak, then it will change it like this. Then I can change it to the full page too. So with full page, we don't get that cursor right here that we're getting on our other peaks. So this is also a way that you can go for. But I'm gonna actually keep to the center peak. That's what I prefer. But you can see we can change the layout first. So it kind of like changes the whole look of your Notion. Then we have different properties, groups, and filters. I'll actually show you how to create filters and properties too. But for now, we are here. The next thing that you need to do is you need to add an icon and a cover to your Notion page. So you're going to select the icon from here. In icon, you can go for any of the different emojis, and we have emojis and icons. So I prefer emojis because they're a little colorful, and then we have icons. But when it comes to the icons and emojis, they're like limited. There are a lot of them, but still we want to play around a little bit. We want more. So for that, what you can do is you can go to flaticon.com. Flaticon.com allows you to download free icons and stickers for your projects, images made by different designers. So what happens here is it's actually really easy. I will search for an icon. So I'm going to go with the icon, and let's say I have a, icon I want to add here. So it's work, right? So I'm going to go here and we'll just search for work, and it will give you the results. And you can see we have 103K work icons available. So we can scroll down now and we can choose any kind of icon from here, like a work icon. You can go for a theme. When it comes to making Notion aesthetic, we can go for like a pastel theme or something like that. I'm gonna go with this, color a little, and it gives this, you can see this one I really like. So all we need to do is we just need to download the PNG, or what we can do is we can copy the link. So I have copied the link. I'm gonna get back to my Notion. And here, what we're going to do is click on the icon, go to the custom, and we're going to paste the link. There you go. Click on submit. And you can see the icon will be updated. So the icon will look actually pretty good. Now we have add a cover. So for the cover, again, I'm going to go for an aesthetic cover here. So let's change the color, and again we'll go for the link. And what I like to do is, even again on the flat icon, we can go for the images. So I just go here and we're gonna switch to the images for work, and I will just again paste the link for the image. So I have added this background right here, which is kind of like really subtle background. After that, what we need to do is we can also add different icons to our different tasks that we're creating here. So I'm going to actually get rid of something that is extra here. So I'll just get rid of this one as well to just kind of like customize everything. Now, what we can do on Notion is there is a platform known as Notion Themes.me. So what happens here is it's an extension available. So if you're looking for Notion extensions, then you will go for this one. So Notion Themes allows you to select different themes. All you have to do here is you kind of like add it to your Chrome. It's completely free, and then you just log in with your Notion. After that, you can select a theme for your Notion page that you have here. Like you can select a forest theme, and everything will be, green here. You can add different icons to it. You can, customize that theme. Then we have like different kind of space theme. We have aesthetic themes available. So this is actually one of the extensions that you need when you're using Notion, and especially if you want to make your Notion aesthetic. So go ahead and check out Notion Themes. After that, we can move to the widget section. When it comes to creating widgets on Notion, we have Indify. Now, Indify is actually a really famous widget platform, indify.co. Once you go to the website, this is where you will land. Level up your Notion widgets. So you can see here we have full customizable widgets available, such as we can add calendars, we can customize our home. You can see this is what it will look like. And you can add progress bar as a widget. You can add let's say countdown, then you will be able to add the codes. So these are the different kind of widgets available on indify.co. So here again, you need to just log into your Indify. So you log in with your Google account and connect your Notion, whatever it will ask you to do. Once you do it, it will be connected, and then you can add different widgets here. Now I can also switch to the list view here, because a lot of people would want to go for the list view. Now the view depends on you totally. Now another thing that you can do is if I switch to my list view, you'll be able to get a better idea. So let me quickly go to the actually table here. So in table, you can see I have these types, and the type is actually the different kind of types we can add to a task that we have created on Notion. And the colors here are actually pretty aesthetic. So what you need to do is make sure that you go with the same theme color. For instance, I had this, pink here, but now I have this blue. So what I'm going to do is these are the things that we don't keep in mind, right? So what I will do is I'll go to the customization of these types, and we will change the color to something more from the one, side, and we will just go with the pinks or the, this is the color that I'm going for. So these are the little things that you need to keep in mind, that everything is aligned. Then when it comes to the icons right here, you can see the icon for the each task. For instance, I have a flag here, I have this code in here. So what we need to do, we need to change these icons. We need to change these icons and keep them in one color so that it aligns with the color of our page that we have created. So you can see here, you will change the icons again as I changed this one. Even if you're selecting a simple icon, you're having trouble with the, flag icon, you can go to the icon section here and you can choose your color. So you can see I have selected this color here, but you can select your theme first and then choose your color. This way you can customize your Notion page, and it looks way better than from a simple page. And you can also add different images. When it comes to images, make sure again to go for the same aesthetic. If you're choosing one color, stick with that color and add all of the images in that color. The background should match the icons. The icons should match different icons of the task here, and the colors of the types, the tags should also match. So this way you will be able to make your Notion much more aesthetic, and you will be able to take very creative notes and get more productive. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.